Hey, what's up guys? So back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp last seen not showing. So there could be multiple reasons for this. So the first reason I'm going to explain you is if your account has on the last seen to everyone. So for that you need to go to settings, then privacy. First you need to go to account and then privacy, and then last seen. If it's on nobody, you make sure clicking on everyone or my contest, whatever you like. So I'm just clicking on everyone, so that could fix the problem for you. Or otherwise, if the person has set his last seen to private or my contacts, and if you're not on her contact, and then you cannot see her last seen, or either he she has blocked you. You can also not see if she has blocked you. So these are the three reasons, and the last one to fix it is you need to go to settings, then you need to go to app again. My settings can take times to open, and then you need to go to app again, and then if you are on phone, you need to delete the WhatsApp, install it, and then reinstall it to fix it. So if that still doesn't work, what you make sure that your date and time is okay and is perfect, the time is right. If not, then make it right time and date. That will fix your problem. So yeah guys, these are the 5 reasons why and how you can fix it. So thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.